China, Iran, and the drone war are creating a geopolitical fight that has also drawn strong reactions from Donald Trump. The recent rise around Iran has pushed drones into the center of global politics. Military analysts now talk about drone warfare almost every day because these systems have become one of the most powerful tools in modern conflicts. Iran has spent many years building a drone program that focuses on affordability and large production numbers. Instead of relying on expensive fighter jets, Iran built a strategy around hundreds or thousands of unmanned aircraft. These drones can travel long distances and strike military bases, energy infrastructure, and shipping routes. Iran's strategy follows a simple logic. A drone that costs tens of thousands of dollars can threaten equipment that costs millions. Air defense systems struggle when large groups of drones approach at the same time. Some drones fly low, while others move at different speeds. Radar systems detect them late, and defense missiles become expensive to use repeatedly. Military planners around the world now watch Iran's drone program closely because it shows how smaller powers can challenge stronger militaries. China enters this story because of its long relationship with Iran. China depends heavily on energy imports, and Iran supplies a large share of the oil that China purchases from the Middle East. China buys roughly 90% of Iran's exported crude oil, even though American sanctions target that trade. Iranian oil accounts for about 13% of China's seaborne crude imports. These numbers show why stability around Iran matters to Chinese leaders. Energy routes also explain China's concern. Around one-third of China's imported oil travels through the Strait of Hormuz. This narrow waterway sits next to Iran and carries about 20% of the world's oil supply. A conflict around Iran threatens this route. When tensions increase, oil tankers sometimes avoid the area, and global oil prices rise quickly. China relies heavily on imported oil, so rising prices increase costs across its entire economy. Chinese leaders therefore prefer stability in the region. Officials in Beijing often call for negotiations and ceasefires whenever violence rises around Iran. Chinese foreign military statements regularly emphasize dialogue and regional stability. These messages follow China's broader diplomatic approach. China wants to appear as a stabilizing global power while also protecting its economic interests. The relationship between China and Iran has also expanded in recent years. Iran joined organizations where China plays an important role, including the Shanghai Cooperation Organization and BRICS. These organizations create political and economic connections outside Western alliances. Beijing and Tehran also signed a long-term strategic cooperation agreement that covers trade, infrastructure, and energy projects. Some analysts believe that cooperation also extends into the technology and defense sectors. Iran's drone systems require electronics, sensors, and satellite navigation equipment. Many of these technologies have both civilian and military uses. International reports sometimes point to Chinese components appearing in Iranian drone systems. These parts include microelectronics and navigation equipment that can guide drones accurately over long distances. Chinese companies often describe these components as commercial exports. However, analysts argue that dual-use technology still strengthens Iran's military capabilities. A drone program depends on reliable navigation systems, cameras, and communications equipment. Access to advanced components improves drone range, accuracy, and reliability. Iran has also developed its own drone designs through years of research and reverse engineering. Engineers studied captured foreign drones and adapted those designs into domestic models. Over time, the country produced several drone families capable of reconnaissance and attack missions. Some models carry explosive payloads, while others act as surveillance platforms that guide missiles toward targets. Military observers now say drone warfare is changing the balance of power in many conflicts. Traditional air power relies on expensive aircraft and trained pilots. Drones remove the pilot from the cockpit and reduce costs dramatically. Countries can produce large numbers and send them toward targets simultaneously. Even if many drones fail to reach their targets, a few successful strikes can cause serious damage. The United States also follows these developments with great attention. American officials worry that Iranian drone technology could spread to other regions. Armed groups in different conflicts might adopt similar strategies. Cheap drones could threaten bases, ships, and energy infrastructure across the world. Donald Trump has reacted strongly to reports about countries helping Iran's military development. During discussions about sanctions and tariffs, Trump warned that nations exporting military technology to Iran could face serious economic penalties. These warnings target countries suspected of supplying equipment or components that strengthen Iranian defense programs. Trump's concerns connect to broader tensions between Washington and Beijing. The United States and China compete for influence across many regions, including the Middle East. American policymakers worry that China's economic ties with Iran could translate into political or strategic influence. China often denies direct military cooperation with Iran. Officials say their relationship focuses on trade and energy rather than weapons. Chinese diplomats emphasize that Beijing supports peaceful negotiations and regional stability. However, Western analysts continue to debate how much technology cooperation exists behind the scenes. Economic calculations also shape China's cautious approach. Iran remains important as an energy supplier, yet it represents less than 1% of China's global commerce. Other Gulf states, such as Saudi Arabia and the United Arab Emirates, play a much larger role in Chinese trade and investment. Beijing must balance its partnership with Iran while maintaining strong relations with other Middle Eastern countries. Chinese leaders avoid direct involvement in military conflicts. Their strategy focuses on diplomacy, economic cooperation, and energy security. Public statements usually condemn violence and encourage negotiations. Behind the scenes, Beijing protects its economic interests by maintaining relationships with all major players in the region. Energy markets provide another reason for global concern. When tensions rise near the Strait of Hormuz, oil prices increase rapidly. Analysts warn that prolonged disruptions could push oil prices close to $100 per barrel. Higher energy costs affect transportation, manufacturing, and food prices worldwide. China feels these effects strongly because it imports more oil than any other country. For Beijing, stability in the Gulf region remains a top priority. Chinese officials know that any major conflict around Iran could threaten shipping routes and raise energy costs. Economic growth depends on reliable access to affordable energy. Leaders therefore prefer diplomatic solutions rather than military escalation. Trump's response reflects a different perspective. American policymakers focus on preventing Iran from expanding its military capabilities. Drone programs raise particular concerns because they spread quickly and operate with limited resources. Countries or groups that cannot afford advanced aircraft may still build effective drone fleets. The United States has already taken steps to restrict technology transfers that could strengthen Iranian drones. Sanctions target companies suspected of providing electronics, materials, or engineering support. These measures aim to slow the development of long-range attack drones. China's role remains complicated because global supply chains connect many countries. Electronic components travel through multiple markets before reaching final products. Determining where each part originates becomes difficult. Investigators sometimes discover components manufactured in different countries inside a single drone. This complexity makes enforcement challenging. Governments must trace supply chains carefully to understand how technologies move across borders. Sanctions may limit direct sales, while indirect routes continue through commercial markets. Meanwhile, the global race for technological advantage continues. Artificial intelligence, semiconductor manufacturing, and drone development will influence military power. The United States and China compete intensely in these areas. Advanced computer chips provide one example of this competition. Artificial intelligence systems require powerful processors capable of handling large amounts of data. These chips support technologies ranging from facial recognition to autonomous vehicles and military drones. American companies lead much of the global semiconductor industry. Export controls restrict certain advanced chips from reaching Chinese companies. These policies attempt to slow China's technological progress in critical sectors. Chinese leaders respond by investing heavily in domestic semiconductor production. Artificial intelligence may soon allow drones to make independent decisions during missions. Military planners prepare for a future where unmanned systems dominate large parts of the battlefield. The story of China, Iran, and drone warfare shows how technology, energy, and geopolitics now shape the future of global power.